Hey all, I thought I would quickly show you how to add your Google Meet codes. Emily sent this email out talking about putting it all in the same place. So I thought I would do that really quick and show you how to do that. And there's a couple ways that you can do that depending on how um, tech savvy you want to be about it. So if you already have stuff in Schoology, in your Schoology courses like I do, if you hover right here on any of these lines, you'll notice this green little bar that pops up. That will quickly allow you to add a page, and we want this Google Codes to be right here at the very top of your page. So you could add materials that way if you'd prefer. If you don't have anything, but if you already do like I do, that green button is super helpful. So you're going to add a page. I would title it Google Meet Code or Codes. And then right here, you can type straight in, and then you could add a table if you want. So if it were me, I would add a quick table here of my classes, stretch it out. So hour, and then codes. Can I center that? Yeah. All right. So then I do hour one, um, whoop, hour one, hour two, hour three, four, whoop, and so on. So I would do that for all of my courses. And then over here is where you just create the code or the nickname for your class that you're going to do. So I did Malat ELA 1 or Malat ELA 2. So I can do that right there. And then like this one would be Malat ELA, whoop, all one word, Malat ELA 2. And so I can put it right there. Then the most important thing that we want to do is if you scroll down in this box, you want to click this button right here so that it says display on inline or display a new page. So click this button to where it's colored and click create. And then it will be displayed right here with the codes. So you can make a quick little table, put your hours in, put your codes in, and you can be done with that. If you already have it in a Google Doc. So let's say you are like me and you already have it. I already have it right here in a Google Doc ready to go. What you want to do first here inside your Google Doc or inside a Google slide or whatnot, you want to go to File, Publish to the Web. You want to embed it, and then it'll ask you, so I can stop publishing it for a minute. So that you can see. So when I get it here to publish, I want to embed it. Then I want to hit publish. It will automatically republish when changes are made. So you'll copy that HTML right there. You'll come over here. You will switch it right here to HTML. So it's gray here. You want to switch it to here, and then you'll paste it. Again, do the same thing. Make sure it says inline right here and that it's colorful, and click save. And then it will show up just like this. Now, I don't particularly like it this small because I think it looks weird, so I can go in and edit it and change the size. So I usually take it up to about 600. It will automatically change the second one, and then I hit insert and save. And then now it makes it a little bit bigger and a little bit easier to read. So that's your two choices on putting your Google Meets codes in Schoology. Remember, we want it to be the very top link.